You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. I am going to check out one of my vintage kids toys for the kitchen. This is the battery-operated milk mixer. Now, this one is made in Japan, and I've not really seen many of these around, so it's kind of unique and a new addition to my collection of battery-operated or kids mixers. Some are actually just operated by pushing a button. I've shown some of those on video. I'm just kind of turning the box around because there really isn't much more to it except for what you see on the front. So that's really it. It's stapled on the sides. Let's check out what's inside. Here we go. Now they do show you milk and chocolate. So that's what I'm going to have to mix today because that's what it is, the milk mixer. I'm not going to do any other special experimenting with this one. All right, and then there's a little piece of paper protecting it. Now, when I got it, it was a little dirty. It still is, so I might do a little bit of that with you today just to give us a little more bonus content. Here we go. So this is what I need to do to get it out of the box. All right, there is the lid. All right, that is the mixer. It's kind of neat. It looks like those vintage aluminum cups, if you know what I'm talking about. That's kind of the material that's here. It's not plastic, so it is metal. And then there is a little connector that connects onto this little pin here. Now, I've had to actually do some work with this one to get it to perform. Now, the main issue is that being tin, as you can see here, it's all metal. It says Japan. Insert 2 regular batteries here. GW is the copyright. And I could just flip these flaps up, the metal flaps, and get into this and kind of do more. But since it's working, I'm not going to. The main issue... Oh, there's the battery compartment. Check that out. Now, is that old school or what? So 2 big batteries. One goes this way, and one goes this way. That's all there is to it. That locks the lid in. And then, I will show you. I can turn it on now. Should be fine. All right. The main issue with this is this pin is not centered. So when I put the canister on it, I've got to do it a special way because the way this is set, it's actually got pretty good precision here that it needs to sit right in the center. Now if I do that and lock it where it needs to go, it won't turn on because this center pin is offset. So if I just take this like this and sort of set it on there, okay, I get a good spin. It's actually spinning inside. Maybe I can tilt this a little, show you, so it's working. It does sound like the motor is a little stressed, but I think it should be okay. There's the lid. Okay, it doesn't clip on in any way. And as you can see, it says mixer on this side. And it has a really nice look to it compared to like a grown-ups mixer back then. I have a couple mixers in my collection a couple I've shown on video. Alright, so what I want to do is clean this up a little bit more before I put milk in it, and then I'm going to come back and do that with you now. Alright, so I don't know if you noticed, when I took the battery compartment off, it was pretty dirty in there. Oh, there we go. So it looks like it's been stored and not taken out in a long time to be clean. So let me just show you. I will do some of this on camera now. For this, I would use Windex. And I will not spray it directly in, so I'll hit the towel just a little bit, and then I will wipe the inside. And we'll see what kind of dirt comes off of this. Just on that one section, check that out. So I would probably give this a good cleaning all the way around in the battery compartment. I wouldn't spray it in there because you don't want to get that wet. Just mainly because it is old and it's tin, and tin tends to rust, so you have to be careful. Now, if I needed to get the motor out, I would just bend these pins back, and then it should allow me to do that, but I don't need to, so there's no reason to do that. Let's get this back in. And then for the outside now, I'm going to do it a little bit different. You've seen me use soft scrub a lot on my repair videos or cleaning videos. I like that. Okay, because, especially on a white like this, now I'm not going to put it right on the unit, and I'll probably just put it right where the Windex is, just to give it a little bit on there. Okay, and then we'll see. So be careful by any stickers and printing like this. I'm not gonna touch that. Okay, yep. Okay, so we're getting this clean. So make it so that when I move or put food by, because I'll be touching it, so you do want to, like any kitchen appliance, keep it clean. And then another tool that I use quite a bit are Q-tips. I use Q-tips a lot. And that's what I use to kind of get into the little crevices. Here, let's just spray it. I like to just spray off to the side. Let's just see what kind of dirt shows up in here that you just can't see. Look at that. See that? Okay. Wow. Check that out. All right. So you wouldn't normally see that there because you'd have to really do what I'm doing to get in and clean it. Okay. Same with that there. A bunch there. Okay. I think that's pretty good. I will get this. And this. There's not much I can do there, but I had to kind of take a tool and pry it over just a little bit. I can only imagine, I mean, I can have a pretty good idea what's in there. So I bet you if I took it apart, I'd be able to center that better. But since I found a way to get it to work, I'm just going to leave it. All right, so the other pieces, these two now, I will take these and wash those in warm, soapy water. But I think we're ready. All right, so I'm going to come back with some milk and some Nesquik, and we'll give it a test. All right, so here we go. Tools in hand. I am ready to make my chocolate milk, because that's what this is technically for. Now, sometimes I do experiments with colored water, but I'm thinking in this one with the container that you can't see through, it's not going to be that exciting. So let's just pour some milk in, and we'll mix it up. I'll give you a close-up of the mixing process. Now, I'm going to do half. I'm not going to go all the way, just so we can see what this thing can handle. All right, a couple glasses off to the side as backups. Here we go. Give you a better shot inside. Okay, and then I will start with 2 scoops. Now I like mine thick and chocolatey, so let's just see. There are 2 healthy scoops. Let's see what that does. Here we go. Time to turn it on. Ooh. I'll put the lid on just so that you can see what the actual toy looks like with the lid on. And now we want to see inside. We're getting a nice spin. All right. Seems to be performing well. I'm going to go 2 more because I want it nice and chocolatey. Let's see how that mixes up. Ooh. I was trying to angle it to see if I can get this to go a little faster. Uh-oh. That did it. There we go. Oh, that's better. Okay, so let me just let that mix. I think I'll give it a good 30 seconds. You can check it out while it does it. And then I'll pour it in my glass and we'll see how it works. Something's saying, put your spoon in there. I don't know why. I just want to see what's going on with that. Oh, okay. Got a nice dark looking chocolate there. All right, here we go. Let's take this out of the way. Let's move our camera back just a little because we want to pour it in here. And then I will see what we have on the bottom. Did I just see a lump of chocolate come out? Yep, there it is. I see it. Okay, so it looks like, hard to see, but it's all mixed through. There is 1 lump. Let's get that lump out of the way. All right, let's give this a taste. Chocolate milk. Mixed good. All right, so I think it works great, but I am not done. I'm going to show you some bonus items today, just to give us a little more fun in the video. When I come back, I'm going to show you these smallest appliances. They're wind-up mini toy appliances, a set of 3. So let me clean up here, come back, and I'm going to show you these. All right, so let's check these out. Now, these were never intended to hold liquids or to function, except for the fact that they do wind up and spin, and you can kind of enjoy them that way as a toy. Sears, ages 3+ each, with off-on switch, no batteries needed. Now I was looking at it going, on-off switch, off-on switch. I've usually heard it on-off, but here you go. There is a number, contents 3. This is the box, kind of shows you the 3. You got the mini blender, the mini mixer, and the mini food processor. This side is a repeat. The back kind of goes over that information, a little more detail. Beater spin, bowls removable. Now I have a couple issues. That's why, well, that's why. I mean, I just wanted to tell you. One is not working, and one I had to do a little repair to. So I will show them to you either way, because I have more of these that I can show you at a later date. Look at that. Now, is that the coolest little setup of mini appliances? Now, if you want to just use them for dolls, well, I'll give you an idea here. This is the mixer. And then here is the mixer I just showed you, okay? All right, so that's that. And then here is a real full-size vintage mixer that I've used in videos. That's kind of the one I was telling you about that matches the other one. All right, check that out. Now you can see regular mixer, mini mixer, and kids' toy mixer or blender, whatever you want to call it. All right, so that's that. Let's get these out of the way. And this one here I have used in videos, so I think I found that at a garage sale. I don't remember. And then here is the food processor. And then here is that's an actual mixer. Call that another mixer. It's a blender. Let me zoom in there so you can see the 3 of them. Okay, and then I believe when I was trying to repair this one, here's the little wind up that's missing or came out of the toy itself. All right, which one do I know works the best? This one. So this comes off. Okay. There you go. And then the lid. So it's got a little lid, little mixer. It's not meant to hold water because that is open underneath there. But that connects to the paddle on the inside. And that's what's broken on that one. You know, just part of having a vintage toy. It looks like they were never played with, but somehow the pieces are broken. So there's the little switches right there. Okay, so let me wind it up here. I have it in the off position. I don't have to do it much more than that. There we go. Okay, let me wind it up more than that. It's actually quite small for my fingers to even get in there. All right, one more time. Let me move this out of the way. There we go. Now I can pick it up. That's better. Probably should have done that to begin with, but I'm trying to keep it in the frame here of the small mixer. There we go. That's pretty cool, huh? It's going for quite a long time. Let me show you the bottom. Made in Japan. Okay, and now this one here, I had to actually put some tack, which is that white stuff that I use. Wow, that is still going. Look at that. I could turn it off. There. And this one here, I'll wind it up here. It's just easier. It's so small. Okay, and this one comes apart too, but I can't because I have a fix in there. Oop, there we go. Well, I have to take it apart. So let's do it. All right, so this piece in here was Baroque, so I put that little tacky stuff in there. It's tacky. Let me get a tweezers. So this should have not done this. The little pin piece broke on the inside of that. I think that'll do it now. I'm gonna wind it up again. Okay, let me get at the right angle. Yeah, it was working a second ago, and then all of a sudden it doesn't want to work. Oh, there it goes. Check that out. Okay, and even the little piece that pushes your fruits and veggies in there to chop them up is removable. Okay, so that one's spinning. All right, the last one now. This is actually like a regular hand mixer. You could take it off the base, so you can do that with some mixers. And then the bowl just sits there. Now you could probably put liquid in there, but this one doesn't wind up anymore, sadly. Let me back the camera out a little bit, give us a little bit more distance here. The piece inside, now I don't remember if I took this apart, I'm not sure yet, but if I spin it, I might be able to get it to show you how the beater spins. See that? Okay, and the on-off switch is on the top. So that's how that one works. All right, well, there you go. I'd say they are pretty cool. I have more of these, different sets in different kinds of packaging, but I wanted to kind of extend this video a little bit and show you another piece of my little kitchen tool collection. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a comment. If you can give the video a thumbs up, sharing it around social media would be a huge help. And thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.